My name is Shirley Treidel, and I'm one of the nurses here at Inspire Medical. Vitalia treatments are so beneficial because they use radiofrequency heat, not surgery, to firm and tighten the vaginal and labial areas. The Vitalia treatments have no side effects and are non-hormonal, so it makes it exceptionally safe for all women. The treatments will last between 30 and 60 minutes generally, and we will have 3 to 5 treatments recommended. We do them at about 3 to 4 week intervals. Also, nearly 50% of all women will experience urinary incontinence at some point in their lives, sometimes after having children, or as we age, we experience gradual hormonal changes. These hormonal changes sometimes result in vaginal elasticity, dryness, and other menopausal side effects. Vitalia treats the underlying problem by increasing the elastin and collagen that leads to tightening and hydration. It improves overall function while minimizing the discomfort and with no downtime. So don't suffer any longer. Call me today for a free consult on the number on your screen, or reach me at the email address inspiremedicalwellness.com. I look forward to servicing you soon.